Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making Asian hot dogs on the Memphis wood fire grill. So for this recipe, I like to use a little bit of the larger hot dog size. And we're gonna start by smoking these for about an hour. So we've set up the Memphis wood fire grill to 225 degrees and we're using a fruit wood blend. But before we smoke it, we're gonna score the skin, and this is how we do. With a very light touch on the knife, you wanna cut a crisscross pattern all across the dogs on both sides. So we score the hot dogs for two reasons. One, it will allow the smoke to infuse better with the hot dog, and it will also allow the barbecue sauce that we're gonna glaze it with later to penetrate and stick a little bit better to the hot dog. So the Memphis wood fire grill is now sitting at 225 degrees, so it's time to put in the hot dogs. While we're waiting for the hot dogs to get finished with their smoke bath, it's time to prepare the condiments, and this is what we're gonna do. First, you wanna mix the spicy Asian ketchup, and you take 1 cup of regular Heinz ketchup, you mix it with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of sriracha powder, and 2 teaspoons of ginger powder. Then you stir this thoroughly. Next, you want to start preparing the Asian slaw. And I just buy one of these Asian slaw packages from the store. Then I just mix the chopped salad with the sesame sauce, and the Asian slaw is ready. Next, you want to finely chop some green onions and pick some cilantro. So the hot dogs looks great, so it's time to remove them from the grill and crank up the volume to 550 degrees. So while we're waiting for the Memphis grill to get up to temperature, it's time to toss the hot dogs with our Asian barbecue sauce. You can easily make this at home. You take 1 part Korean gochujang sauce with 1 part barbecue sauce, or you can do what I did. I got a commercial store-bought one. Pour the barbecue sauce on top of the hot dogs and toss them thoroughly. You also want to spray some fat on the hot dogs bun. Now you want to grill the hot dog buns until you get good sear marks, and also grill the hot dogs until the barbecue sauce is set. Now that we have all the ingredients ready, it's time to build the Asian hot dog, and this is how we're going to build it. First, you want to put a dollop of the Asian ketchup on the bread. You close the bread, you open it, and now you have a good spread. Next, you want to scatter some finely chopped kimchi on the bun. Then it's time to place the Asian hot dog. Then you want to cover the hot dog with the Asian slaw and sprinkle some green onions, cilantro, and sesame seeds on top. Last but not least, you want to drizzle the Asian hot dogs with some sriracha mayo. And that is how you make an Asian hot dog on the Memphis wood fire grill. And I think the only thing left for me to do is to try this and see what it tastes like. It looks phenomenal. So here we go. Oh man, that is so good. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.